Here's an old skyscraper with 2 old lifts. I'm so excited for this. Let's check them out, man. Hope this one works. Oh, it does. That's so amazing. First this one. This is a Končar. Oh, it's so amazing. Look at this. So this one is for the even floors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. In total that is 7 stations. But it goes quite high, all the way to the 12th floor. It has folding doors. This is very cool, man. Two-speed distraction. Very nice doors. Very cool how the indicator sticks out quite a lot. It's usually not positioned like that. I think this lift is from the 80s, early 80s probably. And the other one, the Radnik, is like from the 60s. I'll need keys for the Radnik lift, it's locked off. Here's the Radnik. Has new Končar fixtures. But it's still cool. Has the original inner doors. Look at this. I think this is early 60s. Very nice. The doors are still completely original. This big window, which is not legal anymore, is here. So you can break it and stick your head inside. Very nice. This lift is going to get modernized soon, I can see. This one serves the uneven floors. Oh, what happened? What happened? Okay, that was strange. So this one serves the uneven floors. In total, it's also 7 stations. once again. The same picture that's here was in the Dhaka inner doorless elevator in one skyscraper that I filmed with a friend a long time ago. That lift isn't there anymore. This is actually some info about the Zagreb funicular. Very nice lift, I really love it. Actually, it's not so nice, but I love it because it's not legal anymore. It still exists. And you see how tall this building is. Very nice.